How much should a small business pay for search engine optimization? And do you even need to pay someone yet? Before spending any money, there's some free SEO tools I want to share with you. So let's get right into it. Probably the most important free search engine optimization tool is the Google Business Profile. It's free to set up. It's really important. I did a whole video on it. It's 3 simple steps. So if you're just starting your business or your side hustle, you want to do this. One of the first things you want to do is set this up. It's 3 easy steps. 1, 2, 3. Boom. All right. So how much does SEO cost per month? Well, I went to ahrefs.com, marketing reports, and they polled 439 SEO experts, and the average SEO cost per month is $2,917. Local SEO cost $1,557 per month on average. And the hourly for SEO is $111. 1 in 10 charge more than $150 an hour. So there's your answer. Here. All right, this is CodeBreeze Solutions. I did a whole video how to optimize this, but this is where you get your Google reviews. This is where not only the customers learn about your company, but also Google and the large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and so on. So Google Business Profile is really important. One of the best free SEO tools you can get. Another free SEO tool you can use is the Google Search Console. Now I put my company in here, CodeBreeze Solutions. This just gives you insights into the performance of your website. Let me just click on performance here. You can see it's shown my company in 28 days over 1,000 times. I've had 27 clicks. For me, that's huge. But it also tells you like what queries, what people are searching for. CodeBreeze, that's brand specific. But here, SEO company, New Haven, Connecticut. I'm in New Haven. New Haven Digital Marketing Agency, Best Digital Marketing Agency, Web Design. These are all search terms with intent, meaning people want to buy. So, I mean, that's huge. It's all organic search engine optimization that I do. I really don't pay for any ads. I'm not against it. They're very effective. You can also check your pages. I'll show you mine. What's indexed, what Google has listed for your pages on your website. All my pages are indexed right now. These 4 that are not are just pages I don't have anymore. So I'm going to let those cycle through. But Google Search Console just gives you a whole bunch of analytics you can use, a lot of tools. So what are you paying for when you actually hire an SEO professional? Well, you're paying to get your business ranked with Google and the large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc. For instance, when I put in web developer New Haven, Connecticut, I want my company showing up on page 1. And CodeBreeze Solutions, through a lot of hard work, comes up at number 9, which is huge because the competition is fierce against companies that have been in business 15 plus years, 20 plus years. And you can imagine it's a very competitive market. You also want to get shown on the Google Maps, CodeBreeze Solutions. There you go. It took a lot of hard work to get to page 1. So that's what you're paying for. You want to show up for money intent searches and your business to be ranked on page 1 with Google, and you want the large language models showing and recommending your business. I'm going to show you what you should be paying for SEO and what you can be doing yourself. I'll use my own website. to give you an idea. When you first land on a website, in the first 3 to 6 seconds, you want to tell the visitor who you are, what you do, and where you are. So you can see in my H1 tag or the title, New Haven, Connecticut, Web Development, CodeBreeze Solutions. Got the logo and CodeBreeze Solutions right here. So your copy, all your text has to be search engine optimized. Not only does it tell a story for your visitors, it also tells Google and the large language models about your business. Okay, so all the copy, all the wording is all optimized for search engine optimization. Let me show you, this is all the topography, the stuff you see. Let me show you the raw code. I know it's Greek to you, but this is the stuff under the hood that you don't actually see. This is the meta descriptions, keywords, so on. That's all really important for search engine. I took mine a step further and I wrote a whole block of code. All this JavaScript is schema, all meant for search engine optimization. All this code here. So I know that's the Greek. Anyway, so you want to look for that your own website. Make sure your copy is search engine optimized for that. The other thing you can do yourself is you can post on social media. You can build your own Google business profile. You can build your own digital footprint without hiring someone. But if you hire a professional, you're going to get what you pay for. That's for sure. Google has a free keyword planner. So if you Google keyword planner, it's a free tool that'll help you plan your keywords for search engine optimization. There's actually a few free tools you can use. So if you're planning a website and need help, there are free tools available for you. My name's Kevin Mohan from CodeBreeze Solutions right here in New Haven, Connecticut. And if you're a small business owner and you need help with search engine optimization, send me a message. Maybe we can work together because I help small businesses grow online. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.